Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both product and skin. Clean the area and lightly exfoliate so wax bonds to hair, not dead skin. Measure 30-50 g of Ayur Chocolate Wax and heat slowly. Microwave 10-15 seconds or double boil until syrupy. Once melted, cool a little. The wax should be warm but not hot. You test temperature and skin sensitivity by applying a pea-sized amount to a small patch. If no redness or pain in 5-10 minutes, proceed. You apply wax in a single, confident motion, working with hair growth for maximum grip. Use a flat spatula to create a thin, even layer and immediately press a strip or muslin square over it. Make sure to rub the strip to warm adhesive, improving bond. Once it sets, about 10-20 seconds, you hold the skin taut and remove the strip quickly, parallel to the skin, to reduce pain and breakage. If hair remains, repeat on small areas rather than reapplying heavy layers. You finish by calming the treated area. Press a cold compress, then apply aloe or a light oil to dissolve leftover chocolate wax and calm skin. Once done, make sure to avoid heat, sweating, and active sun exposure for 24 hours to prevent irritation. If small bumps or redness appear, use an antiseptic aloe gel and avoid scratching. Troubleshooting: if the wax is too hot, cool it and patch test again. If severe bleeding or persistent swelling occurs, seek medical care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.